this segment we're going to learn about looking after secateurs. Secateurs are one of the most useful tools in the garden. The first thing you should try and do is make sure your secateurs are clean. So you can put them in some water and you can have a bit of detergent and then wipe them off very carefully. Make sure you don't cut yourself. There are two parts. There is this part here called the anvil and this part here is called the blade. The blade is very sharp both on the end and on the edge. So you can still see that's a bit discoloured and it's got some stuff there. It won't come off with water. So what we'll do is we'll use some methylated spirits, see if that works. Put the methylated spirits on a rag and then carefully, again remember there's sharp edges, there we go, but it hasn't cleaned it up. What we're going to do is get out the heavy armour, a bit of sandpaper, that's beautiful. Now remember, avoid using the sandpaper on the edge. The next thing we're going to do is to sharpen them. We've got a little sharpening stone here available from any hardware store. Start off with putting it 90 degrees to the blade. We lay it over halfway, that's 45. We go another half, that takes it down to about 22.5 degrees. The actual angle is about 23. Just keeping on that same angle and on that part of the blade, pushing away from you. And you can see already that the blade is starting to get sharp. We then go to the back of the blade and we just run it across like that, flatten it off. On the anvil we do the same. There we are, a nice sharp pair of secateurs. Okay, having cleaned them and sharpened them, we now oil them. You can oil all over these, and I'm just using engine oil. Keeps this spring here needs to be cleaned and oiled. Wipe off the excess oil with your rag. Now put them away for next time.